Hello everyone, have you got a IS200 or a Lexus with this sort of screen where it turns on like this but the touch screen doesn't work? So all you need to do, it's very cheap to fix, you just need another glass screen on here, and here it is. Look, I've had mine changed. I literally ordered one off eBay for £30 and then I paid my local auto electrician another £80 labour to fit this for me. So he's done it, and look, it all works fine now. If I go to climate, everything works. All I had him do is change that for me. So in order to do that, obviously he takes all this unit out and then does his magic. There's all these videos out there, but I thought, let me do a quick video to show you. If you do have this issue, it's not the end of the world. It's literally that touch screen. What happens is the screen is actually okay. It's these nodes, sometimes they wear out and the connection goes, and that's why you don't get the touch screen working. And I know there's people that try and repair this stuff, but when you can get a brand new aftermarket one like I did for less than £30, it's worth just doing that. And look, it works perfectly, and for about £100 I had the issue fixed. So I hope that helps everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.